Also, one more important thing: make sure you label, okay, your batch. Okay, so hope you can see this one. I write down like what type of product it is, what kind of ingredient I use, and the date that I produce this batch. Okay, so I know when, okay, it's ready. Okay, so usually some people suggest is 4 weeks for you to use it, and the soap become like milder. But with the ingredient I use, the recipe I use, probably 2 weeks before I can use it. But I will use one to test it out. But make sure you have your ingredient ready. Okay. Now this one I did earlier as well. Different day. 5 days, 7 days ago. 6 days ago. Yeah. And yeah, I put it down and I cure it, so I know which batch is from which one. Okay, so very important you name. Okay. Okay, so and shea butter supreme, the day and the batch number. This is my second batch. I used I'm still in the experimenting phase, so that's what I use. Okay. Make sure you label, of course. Okay. Otherwise, if your soap is you use olive oil and your soap is very all the same, look all the same, it's very hard for you to tell different apart if you don't use any additional colors or fragrance, essential oil or fragrance oil. Okay, so very important that you label. Okay, so you know which batch is which batch, and it's just a good housekeeping habit that you want to get yourself into if you start soap making as well. So when you go into business with this hobby, you can actually well organized. You have developed that habit ready. Okay, very important. Label it, and also for legal reason as well. If somebody want to copy your recipe, they know that they where they get it from. Okay, so you can sue them. No, that's kidding. Okay, soap makers are very fun people. Okay, happy soap making. I'll see you next time in another video.